Here at Discount Hydraulic Hose, we get a lot of questions about our products. Today, we're going to answer some of your top FAQs. Let's see what you guys asked. How to free up corroded hydraulic quick disconnects. If your hydraulic quick disconnects are corroded, replacing them is often the best solution. However, there are ways to extend their lifespan. First, avoid using tools during connection and disconnection. Quick disconnects are designed for hand operation, and using tools can damage the couplings and cause leaks. Second, clean and lubricate regularly. Cleaning the couplings and applying lubricant reduces friction and prevents dirt buildup. Third, use protective caps and plugs. Dust caps for male couplers and dust plugs for female couplers keep sediment out and extend the lifespan of your quick disconnects. Using these proper care tips can help you avoid frequent replacements. Thanks for watching our FAQ video. Be sure to check out our site for our selection of over 15,000 parts. If you have any more questions, our team is ready to help via phone, chat, or email. We'll see you next time.